make mistakes in this class here so that we don't make them outside, right? So I think it took me a little while to realize that this was a safe space for me.
Shatakshi are very understanding and patient in terms of just dealing with everybody here. So don't feel shy. Don't kind of second doubt yourself.
Yeah. Maybe I'll start with the learnings and then move on to the mistakes. GI has helped me change my mindset. We were allocated personalities ABC and we had to negotiate to maximize our points. So the personality that everyone considered the weakest was the one which is the strongest. So the grass is not greener on the other side, the grass is greener where you water it. Sakshi has touched upon quite a lot is that we might not land our dream job overnight. Sometimes it is okay if it is a stepwise journey landing up to your dream job. You should ensure you're always building genuine connections. After GGI, I also had the privilege of speaking to people from top organizations in my domain of interest, such as BCG, Social Impact, Dalberg, Bridgespan, and so on.
The core of GGI family in general is building genuine connections and networking. I had the opportunity of meeting as cohort members like some time back, and I'm still in touch with them, and I keep bumping into them at these policy and networking events. So it's really nice to meet them, and and I think we've kept that momentum going. So I would request all of you to kind of do that, with your cohort as well. Reach out to people, if you think there's somebody who you kind of look up to in terms of what they're doing, or you have any shared interests, just do that. Put yourself out there. Kind of speak up in the masterclasses. No matter how dumb it might sound when you are kind of like raising your hands to answer something, just give it a shot, give it a try. Shatakshi are very understanding and patient in terms of just dealing with everybody here. So don't feel shy. Don't kind of second doubt yourself. It is a safe space. So just kind of interact and engage.